What if I told you that right now, while you're watching this video, people across Kenya are using a free AI tool to make anywhere from 5K to 50K shillings extra every month? And no, this isn't some get-rich-quick scheme or pyramid thing. I'm talking about ChatGPT. You've probably heard about it, maybe even played around with it. But here's what most people don't realize. It's not just a chatbot. It's actually a money-making machine if you know how to use it right. And the timing? Perfect. ChatGPT's growth in countries like Kenya has been over 4 times faster than in wealthier nations, which means the opportunity is now and the competition is still relatively low. So stick around, because in the next 7 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how everyday Kenyans are turning conversations with an AI into real cash and how you can start doing the same today. Now, let me be real with you for a second. I'm not going to sit here and tell you I made 1 million shillings overnight using ChatGPT. That'd be a lie, and you'd see right through it. But what I can tell you is this. I've seen friends, real people, not internet gurus, use ChatGPT to land their first freelance clients on Fiverr. I've watched someone with zero coding experience create social media captions that businesses actually paid for. And I've personally used it to speed up content writing projects that would have taken me days. The difference between making money with ChatGPT and just wasting time chatting with a robot, knowing exactly what to ask it, where to sell what it creates, and how to position yourself. That's what we're covering today. By the end of this video, you'll know the 3 most profitable ways Kenyans are using ChatGPT to make money right now, plus a step-by-step example of how to land your first paying client this week. Sound good? Let's get right to it. All right, first up, content writing. This is probably the easiest entry point, and it's massive right now. Here's the deal. Businesses everywhere need blog posts, website copy, product descriptions, email newsletters, you name it. But most business owners, they hate writing or they don't have time. That's where you come in. Now you might be thinking, but I'm not a professional writer. And guess what? You don't need to be, because ChatGPT can do the heavy lifting. Here's how it works. Step 1. Go to a freelancing platform like Fiverr, where you can create gigs for services like SEO content, social media posts, or blog articles. Step 2, set up a gig. Something like, I will write a 1,000-word SEO blog post for shillings 1,500. Keep your prices competitive when you're starting out. Step 3, when someone orders, use ChatGPT to generate the first draft. Give it a clear prompt like, write a 1,000-word blog post about 10 tips for small business marketing in Kenya. Use a friendly tone, include SEO keywords, and make it actionable. Step 4, and this is crucial. Don't just copy-paste what ChatGPT gives you. Edit it, add your own touches. Make sure it sounds natural. ChatGPT is your assistant, not your replacement. Now, let's talk numbers. If you charge 1,500 shillings per 1,000-word article and you complete just 10 articles a month, that's 15K shillings. That's real money for a side hustle. And as you get better and build your reputation, you can easily double or triple those rates. Second method, social media content creation. Every business in Kenya, from the salon down the street to the online clothing store, needs to be on Instagram, X, Facebook, TikTok, but creating consistent, engaging content, that's exhausting. This is where you become their secret weapon. Here's the play. Step 1, offer social media content packages. For example, I'll create 30 days of Instagram captions and post ideas for your business, cash 5,000. Step 2, use ChatGPT to generate captions, hashtags, and post ideas. Prompt example, create 30 engaging Instagram captions for a Nairobi-based coffee shop. Include emojis, hashtags, and a call to action in each post. Step 3, customize the output, change a few words, make it specific to the client's brand voice, add local references. Step 4, deliver in a Google Doc or spreadsheet, make it look professional. Why this works? Most small business owners don't know ChatGPT exists, or they don't know how to use it effectively. You're not just selling content, you're selling them time and consistency. Hypothetical scenario, land just 4 clients at 5K each per month, and you've got 20K coming in. Scale that as you get testimonials and referrals. Third method, and this one can pay the most, copywriting. Copywriting is the art of writing words that sell. Think Facebook ads, landing pages, email sequences, product descriptions. Businesses pay good money for this because good copy directly equals more sales. Here's your roadmap. Step 1. Learn the basics of persuasive writing. ChatGPT can actually help with this. Ask it, teach me the AIDA copywriting formula, or show me examples of high converting Facebook ad copy. Step 2. Offer copywriting services on Upwork or Fiverr. Examples: I'll write a high converting Facebook ad for 2,000 shillings, or I'll create a sales page for your product, 8,000 shillings. Step 3. Use ChatGPT to draft the copy. Prompt example: write a Facebook ad for a Kenyan fitness coach selling an online workout program. Use the AIDA formula, include a strong call to action, and keep it under 100 words. Step 4. Edit ruthlessly. Test different versions. Add emotional hooks. Make it feel human. Why copywriting pays more? Because results are measurable. If your ad copy gets clicks and sales, clients will pay you more and come back for more work. Illustrative example: if you land 3 copywriting projects a month at an average of 5,000 shillings each, that's 15k shillings. And as your skills grow, you can charge 10k shillings, 20k shillings, even 50k per project for bigger clients. Here are 3 quick tips that will make or break your success. Tip 1. Always edit ChatGPT's output. Clients can tell when something's just AI generated. Add personality, local context, and your own style. Tip 2. Build a portfolio fast. Even if you have to do 1 or 2 projects for free or at a discount initially, having samples to show clients is everything. Tip 3. Communicate well, deliver on time, ask questions, be professional. These soft skills will get you repeat clients and referrals, which is where the real money is. Alright, let's bring it home. ChatGPT isn't magic. It won't make you rich overnight, but it is a powerful tool that can genuinely help you start earning extra income in Kenya, whether it's content writing, social media management, or copywriting. The key: you've got to take action. Sign up for Fiverr or Upwork today. Create your first gig. Use ChatGPT to make your work faster and better. And most importantly, keep improving. The opportunity is real. ChatGPT adoption is exploding in countries like ours. How people are using ChatGPT and the people who learn to leverage it now will be ahead of the curve. So here's my challenge to you. After watching this video, don't just scroll away. Take one action. Create a Fiverr account. Draft your first gig. Ask ChatGPT to help you write a sample. Just start, because a year from now, you'll wish you started today. If you found this helpful, do me a favor, smash that like button. It actually helps more Kenyans discover videos like this. And subscribe to the channel because I'm dropping more content on making money online, freelancing tips, and AI tools you can actually use. Drop a comment below and let me know. Which method are you going to try first? Content writing, social media, or copywriting? I read every single comment and I'll respond to as many as I can. Oh, and one more thing. If you want to dive even deeper into making money with AI, I've got some resources and affiliate links in the description below. Full transparency. I may earn a small commission if you sign up through those links, but it won't cost you anything extra and it helps support this channel. Alright, that's it for today. Go out there, put in the work, and let's make this money. I'll catch you in the next one.